So this is a home remedy for cough or other respiratory tract infection. So with this, we need 1/2 cup of water. It can be cold, it can be warm, so it depends on you. It can also be hot. And then honey, my raw honey, it has comb on it. That's why it has a different texture other than the other honey that you can see in the market. And ground cinnamon. So the honey, it has an anti-inflammatory effect in the body. It also has an antibacterial, antifungal, antiviral effect. While your ground cinnamon, it also has the same effect, anti-inflammatory. So with this, you put like 1 teaspoon of honey. Okay, put it here. So this one, it's cold. Okay, so just dissolve it. It will take a while. Okay, and a pinch of cinnamon. Okay, a dash here. It's a dash of cinnamon. So just mix that. Okay, and then let your patient or your relative drink it like 2 or 3 times in a day. That's it. Okay, bye.